Hi, Dave Pulver here from FoamOnline.com. We've been helping people just like you over the past 60 years with all of your foam needs. Today I'm here with Josie, my daughter.
Hello everyone.
She's going to go over the different foam types, firmnesses, as well as their primary uses.
Let's get started. First, let's discuss what the terms density and ILD mean. Foam density is how much a foam weighs within a cubic foot. Foam density is connected to the quality and durability of a foam. The higher the density, the higher the quality and durability of the foam. Indent load deflection, also known as ILD, is an industry standard of measurement to determine a foam's firmness. The higher the ILD, the firmer the foam. Now that we've discussed those two terms, we can get into the specifics of the different foam types, beginning first with polyurethane foam. This foam type is also known as polyfoam, and it carries a density of 1.2 pounds, making it a low quality foam. It comes in 3 different firmnesses, which remember means 3 different ILD numbers. Polyurethane foam is most commonly used for packaging and shipping, but it can also be used for temporary mattresses and cushions. Many people also use this foam type for dog beds, costumes, arts and crafts, and other recreational projects. The typical lifespan of polyurethane foam is around 1 to 2 years. Moving on, we have conventional foam. This foam type carries a slightly higher density than polyurethane foam at 1.5 pounds, making it a medium quality foam that strikes a nice balance between price and comfort. It's offered in a larger range of firmnesses and provides adequate support for occasional furniture and mattress usage. It's most commonly used for the back of cushions and mattress toppers. Many people also use this foam type for packaging and shipping protection, camping pads, and longer lasting pet beds. Its typical lifespan is approximately 4 to 5 years. Here we have high density foam, which is a good quality foam at a density of 1.8 pounds per cubic foot. This foam type is offered in a wide variety of firmnesses. It's considered to be an industrial grade foam with an excellent balance between price and comfort, making it the most commonly used foam type in the furniture manufacturing industry. High density foam will provide nice support, comfort, and resilience for any given application. It's primarily used for mattresses, average quality sofas, chair cushions, bay windows, boats, camping pads, and shipping containers. Its typical lifespan is about 6 to 7 years. After high density foam, we have blue foam. Blue foam is also a good quality foam at a density of 1.9 pounds per cubic foot. This foam type is offered at a firmness of medium firm only, which carries an ILD of 33. Blue foam is commonly used in upholstery applications, cushions, mattresses, where durability and comfort, as well as pricing, are important factors. The color of this foam, which is a nice blue, is typically used for visual appeal. It's aesthetically pleasing, so it makes it a popular choice for projects that are visible. Its typical lifespan is about 6 to 7 years. Slightly above blue foam is Lux Foam, which is a very good quality foam at a density of 2 pounds. In the past, this foam type has also been referred to as Rebond Foam. It's available in a variety of firmnesses and offers a very good level of durability, resilience, and bounce back. This means that Lux Foam will quickly return to its original shape after being compressed, giving it a buoyant feel. Lux Foam is ideal for upper scale furniture, seating, and mattresses. Its lifespan is around 7 to 8 years. Moving on, we have soft foam, which is a type of high resilience foam that we will be discussing next. Soft foam carries a density of 2.5 pounds in a cubic foot, making it an excellent quality foam. It's available in a firmness of very soft only at an ILD of 10. It's a super soft foam that's commonly used for the back of furniture cushions to provide a soft and plush feel. It's also commonly used as a smooth, pressure-relieving mattress topper. Soft foam has the softness and comfort of memory foam, but the engineering of high resilience foam for a better level of resilience and rebound, meaning the foam quickly returns to shape after compression. This foam is durable, keeping its long-lasting, supportive yet comfortable qualities over extended periods of use. Its typical lifespan is approximately 12 years. The next foam type that we're going to be discussing is high resilience foam, which is also abbreviated as HR foam. High resilience foam is an excellent quality foam with an average density of approximately 2.7 pounds. It's offered in a large selection of firmnesses and was specifically engineered to provide a higher level of resilience and bounce back when compared to other foam types. This means that it will more quickly bounce back to shape after being compressed, giving it a more buoyant and comfortable feel. Due to its density, high resilience foam is very durable and it maintains supportive qualities over long periods of use. These qualities make it ideal for high quality mattresses, furniture, and other applications where long-lasting support and comfort are a priority. Its typical lifespan is approximately 12 years. Here we have Qualux Foam, also known as Qualux High Resilience Foam. This foam type was engineered to be one step higher in quality when compared to traditional high resilience foam, with an average density of 2.9 pounds. It's offered in a range of firmnesses. It carries a unique cell structure that offers a premium level of support, comfort, and durability. The cell structure of Qualux Foam features a soft surface that quickly firms up when compressed, ensuring optimal body support in all kinds of different seating applications. Because of this, Qualux Foam leans towards the firmer side when compared to other comparable foam types. Common uses for Qualux Foam include top-of-the-line mattresses, cushions, upholstery foam, RVs, and marine furniture. Its typical lifespan is around 15 years. Now that we've discussed the foam types that are more commonly used for mattresses and furniture, we're going to move into more specialized foam types, beginning first with latex foam. Before getting into the specifics of each type of latex foam, let's quickly discuss the foam type itself. Latex foam is a premium quality material that provides contouring properties for comfort, pinholes for breathability, as well as a rubber-based construction that makes it durable and hypoallergenic. Latex foam is commonly used for mattresses, toppers, seat cushions, back cushions, as well as pillows. The first latex foam we're going to be discussing is Dunlop. Dunlop is offered at a premium density of 5.9 pounds and at a firmness of medium with an ILD range of between 25 and 33. Dunlop latex foam is commonly a blend of natural and synthetic material. Out of the 3 latex foam types we offer, Dunlop is the only one that can be customized to almost any shape and size. Its average lifespan is between 8 and 12 years. The next latex foam we have here is natural latex foam. Natural latex foam carries a premium density of between 4.4 and 5.6 pounds and is offered in a range of firmnesses. Natural latex foam is entirely derived from the sap of rubber trees that have been grown naturally, making it a suitable and eco-friendly alternative for various applications. Moving on, we have organic latex foam, which is also a premium quality foam with a density of between 3.45 and 5.95 pounds per cubic foot. It's available in a wide range of firmnesses. Our organic latex foam is Global Organic Latex Standard Goals certified, which confirms that the latex material is made from organic raw materials and is processed according to strict environmental and social criteria. This certification ensures quality, sustainability, and ethical production practices in the latex industry. Organic latex foam is fully crafted from the sap of rubber trees that have been grown organically. The difference between natural and organic latex foam is the process of harvesting the sap of the rubber trees. You can think of the difference between natural and organic latex foam as the difference between natural and organic strawberries that you would find at your local store. We offer natural and organic latex foam in mattresses and mattress topper sizes only, but we can cut them into smaller size if desired. Their typical lifespan is 12 to 17 years. Now we are going to transition over to memory foam. There are 3 different options available, beginning first with Memory Foam Light. Memory Foam Light is our most economical option at a low density of 1.5 pounds per cubic foot. It's available in a firmness of very soft only at an ILD of 10. Memory Foam Light's lower density allows for greater airflow, allowing a cooler sleeping surface than heavier memory foam options. In mattresses, this foam type is ideal for those who prefer a softer, more enveloping sleep surface. It's particularly suitable for children, lighter weight individuals, and those who prefer a very plush feel. It's often used in mattress toppers and cushions to add an extra layer of softness and comfort, as well as golf simulators to absorb the shock of golf balls and prevent heavy ricochet. Its typical lifespan is 3 to 5 years. One step up from Memory Foam Light is Memory Foam Standard. Memory Foam Standard has a density of 2.5 pounds per cubic foot, making it of excellent quality. It's available at a firmness of very soft only at an ILD of 12. This foam type provides a moderate level of contouring that adapts to the body's shape while still offering good support, making it suitable for a wide range of sleepers, including side and combination sleepers who require both comfort and support for different sleeping positions. It's also effective at isolating motion, making it a great choice for couples as it minimizes the feeling of movement. Memory Foam Standard is commonly used by mattress manufacturers that aim to cater to a broad audience. as well as golf simulators to absorb the shock of golf balls and reduce bounce back. Its typical lifespan is 5 to 7 years. One step up from Memory Foam Standard is Memory Foam Premium. Memory Foam Premium has a density of approximately 3.5 pounds, making it of premium quality. It's available at a firmness of soft only at an ILD of 15. This foam type provides a more luxurious feel when compared to the lower density memory foams that we just discussed. It provides a higher level of pressure relief and a lower level of motion transfer, making it ideal for premium mattresses and mattress toppers. It's also commonly used for seat cushions, medical cushions, travel and neck pillows, and other orthopedic products, as well as golf simulators to reduce ricochet upon contact with the golf ball. Its typical lifespan is approximately 10 years. A specialty memory foam that has a very interesting visual appeal is known as Gel-Infused memory foam. Gel-Infused memory foam carries a density of 2.5 pounds per cubic foot, making it of excellent quality. It's available at a firmness of very soft only at an ILD of 10. This foam type is composed of traditional memory foam mixed with blue gel during the manufacturing process. The purpose of adding gel to the foam is to enhance its cooling and supportive properties. One of the main issues people have with traditional memory foam is that it can feel too warm because it tends to retain heat. Gel-Infused memory foam is designed to help provide a cooler sleeping experience throughout the night while still conforming to the shape of the user's body, helping to distribute weight evenly and alleviate pressure. It's commonly used as mattresses, mattress toppers, and in golf simulators to help reduce bounce back of golf balls. Its typical lifespan is around 8 years. The next foam type we're going to be discussing is charcoal foam. This foam type is of good quality at a density of 1.8 pounds and is offered in a firmness of extra firm only, which carries an ILD of 80, providing a very firm feel. Its dense and firm construction makes it durable for heavier duty applications, and its darker color allows it to maintain a clean appearance if it becomes dirty. This makes it ideal for professional applications where maintaining a clean look is important, such as protective padding for equipment cases like instruments, technical equipment, guns and rifles, and computers. Other applications include packaging and shipping protection, as well as soundproofing and sound dampening. Its typical lifespan is around 8 to 10 years. If the same dark color is needed at a more economical price point, charcoal foam light is an option. This foam type is a low quality foam at a density of 1.2 pounds and is available at a firmness of medium firm only with an ILD of 38. It's often used as a cost-effective solution for protecting delicate items. It can also be used for soundproofing and sound insulation, but the lower density provides a lower rate of sound absorption when compared to regular charcoal foam. Its typical lifespan is around 4 to 6 years. Another foam type that's commonly offered in a darker color is Rebond Foam, also known as rebonded foam. This foam type carries a very high density of 8 pounds per cubic foot and is offered in a super firm feel. This foam type is very resilient and designed for daily high usage and heavy impacts. Rebond foam is constructed from compressed and bonded recycled foam material. Its dense and firm construction makes it ideal for demanding applications such as carpet underlay or padding and commercial seating like bars and restaurant booths, as well as gym and exercise equipment like mats and weightlifting area padding. Other uses include seats for recreational vehicles like automobiles, snowmobiles, tractors, and motorcycles that are under heavy use and motor vibrations. Its typical lifespan is around 12 years. A lower density version of that Rebond foam that we just discussed is known as Rebond Foam Light. Rebond Foam Light is offered at a density of 5 pounds per cubic foot and a medium firm feel. This lighter Rebond foam is durable and capable of withstanding moderate use without losing its structural integrity, maintaining its shape and support over time. This makes it suitable for applications such as gym mats, carpet underlayments, and seating cushions where moderate support is necessary. Its resilience and durability makes it a cost-effective solution for long-term use because it does not break down or deform easily, ensuring a consistent performance. Its lifespan is approximately 8 years. An alternative to Rebond foam is what we call hard foam. Hard foam carries a density of 4.5 pounds and a firmness of super firm at an impressive ILD of 240. This foam type is engineered for applications demanding exceptional firmness and support. This makes it ideal for specialized uses where maximum support and minimal compression are crucial. such as orthopedic supports, heavy-duty seating, industrial padding, and structural foam applications. It can withstand heavy loads in a constant use without losing its shape or supportive qualities. It's a common choice for those seeking firmness and support in demanding environments. Its typical lifespan is around 12 years. Another foam type with firm characteristics is closed-cell foam, also known as polyethylene foam. This foam type is different than all the other foam types we've discussed because its cell structure is closed as opposed to open. This means the individual foam cells are sealed off from one another, preventing the passage of air and water through the material and making it resistant to mold, rot, and mildew. For this reason, it's commonly used as gaskets and water seals. Its closed cell structure also makes it buoyant, making it commonly used in water sports equipment, marine flotation devices, and buoyancy aids. The properties of closed cell foam allow it to be used as insulation against heat and cold, making it ideal for building insulation, hot tub covers, refrigeration, or HVAC systems. This foam type can also be used for acoustic insulation, as well as sound absorption and dampening. Its typical lifespan is around 15 years. The final foam type we are going to be discussing is dry-fast foam. Dry-fast foam is a good quality foam at a density of 1.8 pounds. It's available in a few different firmnesses. This foam type has a very porous open cell construction, meaning that water drains right through. Because of this, dry-fast foam dries fast, meaning it's non-water absorbent and won't mold, rot, or mildew. This makes it ideal for outdoor uses such as patio furniture or outdoor cushions and mattresses. Other uses include filters or padding that are subject to high amounts of liquid, like marine cushioning or personal watercrafts. Its typical lifespan is between 5 to 8 years.
Now that we've gone over 22 different foam types, you should have a better understanding of what might work best for your application. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at foamonline.com.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.